Hi, and welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at the new filter function that allows you to retrieve a range of data based off of a criteria dynamically. Let's take a look. I've got a set of orders here, and to simplify my formula writing, I've created a named range called order info, and you can see that in the name box. And so what I'd like to do is extract all the orders that took place in a given location. So I'm going to create another heading over here. I'll call it location. And I'll say my criteria is going to be, let's say, Boston to begin with. So we'll put Boston here. And I'd like to see all the Boston records extracted and dumped right here. Now, in preparation for this exercise, I've also named this range locations. Now, that's not required, and neither was it required for me to name the entire range order info. It just makes formula writing a lot easier. Here we go. I'll start out wherever I want my results to go. I'll do equals filter open paren. And so we can see the first parameter is the array, which of course can be a named range. So order info will be my array. And include is where you actually write your filter expression. So since we have a range called location or locations, and I'm going to say equals I2, which is where I have Boston. Now, an optional parameter of this is to indicate what the formula should kick out if there are no Boston entries. So if there are no Boston entries, I want it to say not found. That's it. So filter, this is the range I want filtered. This is my criteria expression, which is evaluating the locations range to meet my criteria, which is Boston. And filter is one of the new dynamic array functions in Excel. So when I hit the enter key, the result, no matter how many rows it is, automatically spills down and forward. So even though I only wrote the formula right here in one cell, cell I5, there were 3 results, and it went down for all the result records and across to match the number of columns in the original array that I referenced. And of course, it's dynamic. If I come here and change this to Atlanta, I get different results. And if you want to make it a little bit more visually appealing, you could copy these headers and put them across the top like that. Certainly not required, but one way to make it just a bit more readable and more presentable. But yeah, I could then just change this. We'll change it to Chicago and see the result. So there you go. So that is the new dynamic array filter function in Excel. I hope you find it useful. Please check back again soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.